Guys, we are on to our next topic, and today's topic is going to be on patents. The way to check if your product is patented or not is from going to Google and searching Google patents. As you can see, here comes the link Google patents. You have to click on the link, and this Google patents page pops up. So guys, I'll set an example for you. I'll set a simple example for you, like beard. I'll set a beard trimmer. As you can see, on Amazon there will be millions of beard trimmers, and the products will have patent on it. But as you can see, moreover, the patent will be on their design. As you can see here, you can't sell a exact same product on Amazon.com that already has a patent on it. You can check from here where the patent is from and the inventor, like something this one. And if you have this start button here in this area, you can sell that product. But you can sell the same exact product like this on Amazon, because it already has patent on it. Another example will be like this one, guys. This has tree ring, and this has tree ring. But if you will consider selling like this, only two of these two rings, then it won't have pattern on it. So guys, you have to keep in mind that you won't be selling exact same design as this is as you find on googlepatents.com.